Hi friends, today we're gonna put in a car door covers, pet protection. As you know, we have dogs and they make a mess in the car. They scratch the side panels, and these here covers from PETEVO allege that they do protect the side panels. So we're going to go ahead and install them and see if that's the case. There's two ways to do this installation. These clips here slide in between the window and the side panel, and I went ahead and did that method first just to see how it came out. These here are the actual covers. They're a heavy canvas. They look nice. And this here is one of the creatures that likes to scratch the side panels and do other crazy things. So the plastic clips Velcro on, and then they slide between the window and the side panel there. Made me a little bit nervous. I didn't want to scratch the tint or mess up the rubber, but they seemed to go in pretty good, and they held okay. You can adjust the clips to put them in proper places, but there was really not much room on this back side window, so it stuck out a little bit, which I wasn't a real big fan of. Also, you can't roll the window down with that method. So this is the Velcro method, and I ended up going with this method. And basically it has a Velcro sticky tape. So the tape sticks to the side panel, while the Velcro of course holds the cover on. And just like this, and it's much simpler. This is definitely the route I liked better, and it's real easy to do as opposed to sliding those plastic pieces in there. I wasn't really a big fan of that. You can also put the Velcro on the bottom. Now this cover doesn't cover the entire side panel, but you can move it one way or the other depending on what it does cover. You can't really see, but I'm putting the Velcro now on the bottom here just to make sure it's secure, and then I'm going to switch the other one from the other side from the plastic clips to the Velcro, and you can see that looks much nicer, and it seems to work pretty good. So I'll put in the information below, this company PETEVO, and the website if you're interested.